So good morning to all of you students. Today we are going to discuss about the function in detail. So function is a very important part of not only of discrete mathematics but of computer science and other areas. It can be used in many applications, many application areas. So in this video we are going to cover the basic concept of the function, its definition. So let us see, first of all we will see its basic concept. So we can say this function is basically, this is a class, it is a particular class of relation. So a function is a particular class of relation and plays important role in computer science, maths and many applications. So we can say it is a particular class of relation and it can be used in various applications of computer science, maths and other areas. Computer output can also be considered as the function of input. Computers output can be considered as the function of input. So computer's output can also be considered as the function of input. Now let us say, let A and B be two non-empty sets and R be a relation from A to B. Then in this case, because it is a particular class of relation, so in this case R may be, now R may not relate an element of set A of A to n element of set B. Means the relation may not relate an element of set A to an element of set B. May not relate और R में relate an element of A. It may relate also element A to more than one element of B. So it may not relate or it may relate. But if we talk about the function, it will always relate. So we can say but function relates each element of A to a unique element of B. So we can say a relation may or may not relate the element of A to element of B, but if we talk about the function, it will relate to each element of A to a unique element of B. So now we will define the function formally. So we can see the definition. Again, let us consider two non-empty sets. Let A and B be two non-empty sets. Now a function f from A to B, function f from A to B is the set of ordered pairs. So it is a set of ordered pairs. So we can say F is a subset of A cross B. It is a set of ordered pairs with the property that for all x or each x that belongs to A, there is a unique there is a unique element y, there is a unique element y in B such that the pair belongs to the function, that is f. So this is the property that for all x there is a unique element y in B and this pair belongs to the function. So this is a formal definition of the function. Now this function can be represented symbolically. So let us see the statement. We can say the statement f is a function from A to B. Is represented symbolically. It can be represented symbolically f colon A to B or A arrow B f, like this. So this is the symbolic representation of the function that we normally see. So this first is the most popular, and normally in discrete mathematics we use this symbolic representation. This is rarely used, but we can also represent by this representation. Moreover, pictorially it can be represented pictorially it is represented by we can use the diagram. So let us say this is set A and this is set B. A, B. Consider 4 elements in A and 3 elements in B. So this is set A, set B, and this is the function. So in this case, this is the pictorial representation of the function. This is set A, set B. In this case, this is known as domain, and set B is codomain. This is also known as image, and this is pre-image. So let us see some more features of the function with the help of example. So if y equals to fx, so if y equals to fx, then we can say then in this case y is called the image of x, and on the other hand x is called the pre-image of y. So if we are saying that y goes to fx, then y is called the image of x, this is image of x, and x is called the pre-image of y. So these are some more things about the functions. Moreover, y is called the value of f at x. So this is also the value of f at x, and the set containing images of elements of A under the function that is under f. Under f is called the range of f and denoted as f of A. So this is basically the set of images of all elements of A. This is basically nothing but this is the range of f, and this is denoted as fa. Moreover, we can say this fa equals to, or we can say range of f, this is equals to fx such that for all x belongs to A. So this is the range of f. Moreover, this range, or we can say it is to be noted here, the range of f is the subset of B. This is the subset of B, which is the codomain. So this range of f is nothing but this is the subset of B, which may or may not be equal to B. So this may be equal to B or this may not be equal to B. So these are the some more things about the function. Now let us see the examples of the function. So we will discuss some functions, some example of the functions. Now let us consider one example. So here we have taken two sets. Set A, it is containing the element like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and B is containing the element 0, 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9, 12 and 13. So we will check. Here we have taken 4 cases. We will check whether this is a function or not. So let us see one by one. So this is case 1. Now here we can see that this is f equals to 1, 1, 2, 0, 3, 7, 4, 9, 5, 12. So obviously we can see that all the elements are present in these pairs, or we can say each element of set A has a unique image in B. So that's why we can say this is a function. So let us recall once again. The image of 1 is 1, it is in this set B. Image of 2 is 0, this is also available in here. Image of 3 is 7, this is also available in set B. Image of 4 is 9, this is also available here. Image of 5 is 12. So we can say this is a function. So f is a function from A to B. This is a function from A to B. Since each element of A has a unique image in B. That's why we can say this is a function. And the range of f, we can say range of f equals to, so these are all the elements which are the images. So we can write from here, this will be 1, 0, 7, 9 and 12. So 1, 0, 7, 9 and 12. So this is the range of f. Range of f. One more thing we can see from here, some elements are not associated with the set A, or we can say some element of B are not the image of any element of set A. So we can write here, it is to be noted here, some elements of B are not associated with any element of A. Like from here we can say, apart from this, like 1 is the part of this, 0 is also, like 2 is not having, it is not associated with set A, and so on, like 13 is also not associated. So we can say these are the elements which are not associated with any element of A. Now we will see the second case. This was the first case. Now in the second case, f is, this is equals to, this is 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 5, 4, 9, 5, 9. Again, obviously we can see all the elements of set A are here in these pairs, like 1 is here, 2 is here, 3 is here, 4 is here, 5 is here. So we can say each element of A has a unique image in B. That's why this case 2, this is also a function. So we can write f is a function from A to B. Since each element of A has a unique image in B. So that's why this is a function. One more thing, it is to be noted here. So, and the range can also be written here. The range of f is, this is 3, 5. One important thing is to be noted here, this component may repeat, second component may repeat, or the one image may be repeated. So here it is to be noted here, second component may repeat, second component may repeat. Second component may repeat. So this is also the function. Now we will see the case 3. In case 3 we are having the pairs like 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 5, 12. Obviously we can see that one element from set A is missing in these pairs, like 3 is missing, because for 1 we are having image 1, for 2 we are having image 3, but there is no image of this 3. So we can say directly this is not a function. So we can write here f is not a function, f is not a function because element 3 of A, element 3 of A has no image in B. So this is not the function. So it is very much clear from this. So we can say this is not a function. Now we will see the case 4. In case 4, f is equals to, this is 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 9. So in this case also 5 is missing, and one more thing is there, that first component from set A is repeated. This is common in two pairs, so it is not possible in case of function. So we can say this is also not function, because in two pairs, that is 3, 5 and 3, 7, the first component is repeated. So we can say f is not a function because in 3, 5 and 3, 7 first component is same, or we can say they have same first component. F is not a function because in this 3, 5 and 3, 7 first component is same, which is not possible in case of a function. So this is also not a function. We can say out of these 4 cases, 2 are the function, 2 are not the function. Now we will see the classification of the functions. So let us see the classification of the function.